Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare online. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, typically turning 65 or having certain disabilities. Next, gather your personal information, like your social security number and birth certificate. Finally, navigate to the official Social Security Administration website to begin your application process. This preparation will make the online application much smoother. Once on the Social Security website, you'll need to create a secure online account or log in if you already have one. Proceed to fill out the Medicare application form, paying close attention to each section. It's crucial to provide accurate details. Before clicking Submit, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered to avoid any delays. After completing the form, you might be prompted to upload supporting documents electronically. Make sure these are clear and legible. Upon successful submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Keep this safe. You can then use your online account to monitor the status of your application, ensuring you stay informed every step of the way. For timely coverage, it's generally recommended to apply 3 months before your 65th birthday. If you encounter any questions or issues during the process, don't hesitate to contact the Social Security Administration directly for assistance. They are there to help guide you. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.